Hello and thanks for watching Towards Sandbanks, my pastel demonstration. Today I'm using Art Spectrum paper, some Unison pastels and my Faber-Castell pastel pencils. I'm getting down a skeleton, a base layer, like an understanding of the sketch, and then building up layers of Unison pastel. I love Unison pastels because of the depth of colour that you can get, and whilst those look very dark, they're actually dark blue on the sea and purples in the horizon, which really give a warmth to the picture. You can see that I'm spraying it then with vodka to liquefy the pastels, and that gives me a base layer to work upon when it's dry. That means that those lovely brights you can see stand out extra well against all the contrast. I'm adding some lovely greys to show off that wet sand. We've been going down to the beach late in the evening, and it gives some of these lovely long shadows that I love creating. And also on this particular night, the purple shadows against the sand were extra dynamic, and I loved creating those with the Unison pastels. Those little sparkles of long shadows on bits of seaweed and pebbles are extra fun to create with some little dazzles of light on the top of them. My other favourite bits are, of course, the clouds, using all those lovely pinky purples just to make it feel like an evening down on the beach. And then again, the little sparkles in the background that are the sun catching those last sides of the building in the distance, which are extra fun to add in. You can see that I've added in some yellow ochre to show the sand being picked up by the waves breaking on the shore, and it gives the waves a lovely depth. And again, the sparkles going in with a knife scraping off those little dazzling white jewels. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please consider a like and sharing with friends who might be interested. Thank you very much.